How to apply for a Social Security card. To apply for a Social Security card, you need to start by filling out Form SS5, which is the official application for a Social Security card. This form can be downloaded from the Social Security Administration SSA website or obtained at your local Social Security office. Along with the application, you must provide original documents or certified copies to prove your identity, age, and citizenship or immigration status. U.S. citizens can usually provide a birth certificate or passport, while non-citizens may need immigration documents such as a green card, I-94, or work authorization papers. Once you have completed the application and gathered the required documents, you can submit everything either in person at a Social Security office or by mail. In some states, U.S. citizens who meet certain requirements can also request a replacement card online through a My Social Security account. After your application is processed, it typically takes about 7 to 14 business days for your card to arrive by mail, as the SSA does not issue cards on the same day. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified about the latest videos.